In today's digital age, the opportunities to make money online are abundant. One of the most promising avenues for individuals seeking financial independence and flexibility is freelancing. With the rise of freelance platforms like Fiverr, a digital goldmine has emerged, offering individuals the chance to monetize their skills and talents from the comfort of their own homes. Freelancing on platforms like Fiverr has gained immense popularity over the past few years, attracting millions of active buyers and generating substantial revenue. As a freelancer, you have the ability to tap into this thriving market, connecting with clients from around the world who are in need of your expertise. Let's explore the exciting world of freelancing and delve into the immense potential of Fiverr as a platform for making money online. We will uncover the strategies and techniques that can help you establish a successful freelance business, attract high-paying clients, and maximize your earning potential. Whether you are a seasoned professional looking to leverage your existing skills or someone eager to explore new avenues of income, this guide will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to navigate the freelance landscape and unlock the vast opportunities that await you. The rise of freelancing. Over the past few years, freelancing has soared in popularity, becoming a mainstream career choice for millions of individuals worldwide. With the rise of digital platforms like Fiverr, the opportunities to make money online have never been more accessible. The allure of freelancing lies in the freedom it offers. No more commuting to an office, no more rigid schedules. Instead, you can work from anywhere, at any time, and build a thriving business of your own. Fiverr, a gateway to success? The leading freelance platform that has revolutionized the way people buy and sell services online. With over 4 million active buyers and an average spend of over $200 per buyer, Fiverr has established itself as a powerful tool for freelancers looking to make money online. Fiverr provides a user-friendly interface, making it easy for freelancers to create their profiles and showcase their skills. Whether you're a writer, designer, marketer, or programmer, Fiverr offers a diverse range of categories to cater to your expertise. Embracing the freelance as a service model, Fiverr's vision extends beyond just being a platform. It aims to become a one-stop shop for businesses in need of creative projects. Fiverr's CEO, Micah Kaufman, envisions a freelance as a service model where large corporations can entrust Fiverr with their projects from ideation to completion. Imagine having access to a pool of talented freelancers and Fiverr's project management expertise, where you can deliver high-quality work while Fiverr handles the entire project lifecycle. This ambitious vision creates exciting possibilities for freelancers and businesses alike. Assessing your path to success. Now that we've explored the immense potential of freelancing and Fiverr, let's delve into the important considerations you should keep in mind as you embark on your freelancing journey. Firstly, evaluate your approach to client acquisition. If you prefer to have full control over your business and avoid platform fees, consider creating your own portfolio website and actively reaching out to potential clients. This approach requires more effort, but grants you greater independence. On the other hand, if you desire a platform that brings clients to your doorstep, Fiverr is an excellent choice. It provides a wide-reaching marketplace where you can showcase your skills and benefit from Fiverr's marketing efforts. Additionally, don't limit yourself to just one platform. Explore other freelance platforms as well. Casting a wide net will help you identify which platforms yield the best results for your unique skills and services. Embracing competition and providing value. It's natural to feel concerned about competition in the freelancing world. However, rather than being discouraged, view competition as an opportunity for growth and differentiation. Study your competitors and identify gaps in the market. Seek ways to provide superior value to clients by showcasing your expertise, delivering exceptional customer service, and going the extra mile to exceed expectations. Expanding your skill set. To thrive in the digital goldmine of freelancing, it's essential to continually expand your skill set. The more versatile you are, the more opportunities you'll have to attract high-paying clients. Consider enrolling in paid courses, joining online communities, or finding mentors who can help you learn new skills and stay ahead of industry trends. Practical experience, such as collaborating with companies involved in your desired projects, can also enhance your skill set. Fiverr as a tool in your business strategy. Remember, Fiverr is just one tool in your freelancing arsenal. It shouldn't be your sole source of income, but rather a valuable component of your overall business strategy. Treat Fiverr as you would any other marketing, sales, or relationship-building tool. Diversify your income streams, explore other platforms, and build a strong personal brand that extends beyond a single platform. Balancing success and well-being. As you immerse yourself in the world of freelancing, it's crucial to maintain a healthy work-life balance and avoid burnout. Block dedicated time for work, family, and personal relationships. Prioritize self-care, exercise, and maintaining good health. Remember, the ultimate goal is not just financial success, but also a fulfilling and balanced life. I encourage you to watch my past videos, maximize your earnings, proven affiliate marketing strategies for passive income, and how to make passive income on YouTube, earn while you sleep, to gain further insights and learn how to expand your online revenue streams. Remember, success in the digital realm requires continuous learning and adaptability. So, take action today and unlock new opportunities to achieve financial freedom through freelancing, affiliate marketing, and YouTube. Thank you for joining us.